Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get your headlight from looking all faded, all scratched up this, to looking almost brand new in just 15 minutes. Now first thing we do is cover the car. It's completely optional, but I will keep your cleanup very low at the end. Now what I'm using is used to actually cover a car or cover doors or something like that. So if you don't have it, it's optional, but if you do have it, cover the whole area, grab your razor blade, just go around the inside of the edges. You don't actually want to touch the car at all or the headlight. You will damage it, so just be very careful on this stage. Now once we've used our razor blade, we're going to grab our tape. Just tape up around the light. Just going to stop our overspray of our compound once we're done. I'm just going to make our cleanup much easier. Now with our headlight being completely covered, we're going to get some paper. I'm going to get some 800. You can use a sander or just some paper in your hand. Just want to go over the whole light in circles. When that's done, clean some dust off, just helping future process. So now we're just going to put some compound on the light. Not too much. We're also going to get our buffer. Just here I have just a generic buffer. I don't have anything special. Put some compound on the buffer as well. You just want to work as much of this as you can in by hand before you turn it on. Start going over it slowly. You just want to go over everywhere that you've just sanded down. Alright, so about halfway done. I've done as much as I can by using a big polisher. There's areas like in here, right along the bottom, and right along the top edge that you can't get to with the polisher, or you could go through paint somewhere else. You could have some issues. So you're going to have to get them by hand. Basically what you're going to do, grab a nice microfiber, put some compound on it, just as you expect, dab it in the area, and just use some elbow grease, and just rub it in. It's started raining a bit, just a little bit of rain, but the headlight is so much better now, so it's about 90% of the way there. I don't want to go too much, because if you do go too much, you can go through the actual protection on the headlight. So now I'm going to use another polish. This is actually a polish rather than a compound. WX189 Teroson. That'll actually bring up some more of that shine. And then we're going to finish it off with just another one, but I'll bring that later. I'll show it to you then. So this one you're going to apply exactly the same. Straight onto your polisher. Polisher up to the light. Again, same hand polisher. I haven't cleaned all the old compound from here, but this is a specific pad for this one that I use. Exact same, just apply it like so. It is raining. You can do this with a little bit of wet actually. In some situations it will help you a lot. It is not necessary. And obviously if it's raining too much, you're pretty much losing the entire effectiveness of the polish. So yeah, I'll get onto that. When I'm done this, I'll let you know. For our last part, I'm going to use this other Teroson product, 182. Just going to spray it on the light. Spray it a little bit on your microfiber. Just rub it in. This is sort of sealant, similar to ceramic coating. Not the same, but it is sort of similar, has the same effect. It definitely won't last as long as ceramic coating. Go over it a couple times. This will protect it from more UV. And that's it. This headlight, just quickly polish this off. This headlight is done now. Look at that. Compared to before, a massive improvement. Now I can't lie to you, this headlight is not perfect. If you wanted to get this perfect, you would need to pretty much take the light off, sand it down again 800 and clear coat it with paint. It might be something that I end up doing anyway, but for now, for a headlight, I just want to get on the car, I'll start driving the car again. That's it. You're finished. Take all the plastic off, and that's it. Alright, now we're done. And now untape our light. Now that our light is off, we can start cleaning. So what I recommend is you get a pressure washer, clean up all the apertures. That way we get rid of all the quick dust. We can just go over with a nice rag. Pressure washer handy, or can't be bothered setting it up. Just quickly grab your hose, put it on the jet function. And there you have it. See how reflective the water is now to the headlight because of the sealer? And that's it. You're finished. Alright, so I've now cleaned up the entire area, all the adjusted panels that I had to wash as well. Clean up all your little panels of any polish that's gone over. That's it, you're finished. I also did the other side. That's come up amazing as well. So that's it. Took me only about 15 minutes to do both sides. And here we are. Last finish. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you next time. Thank you so much.